Hello, welcome to Photoshop. This you are speaking to software design. Today we'll be talking about the basic tools in which you have in Corridor, and I want to make sure that to let you know that Corridor and Photoshop have some similarities, but then please, Photoshop is a different software on its own. We are not here for comparison. So now let's dive into the tools straight away. For you to open an image, this is how you can open an image in Photoshop. You can drag any image like this. This is a love symbol. You can drag any image. This is a press enter on a keyboard. So now this image, the background has been removed already. So well, please, this is your move to press Ctrl T for you to move. You move it around effortlessly like this. You can move it around. This you can move it around like how I'm moving it. So you can select, bring any image into your Photoshop file, and how you can do the move. You can move it to any artboard. The reason why it's hiding, you can't see from this section. Let me show you. The reason why it's hiding, you can't see from this side, because it's inside the entire artboard like this. So since it's inside, you can't see any other thing. So now you can, if you want to see it, once you enter into the artboard, you can't see it. It's just like that. So this is for the move tool. Let's move to the next tutorial, which is the lasso tool. We'll teach you how to use the lasso tool for selection like this. Let's move in. Okay, let's move to the next video.